Welcome to your Let's Break channel, the space where you will find everything you want in the field of GIS, photography and design, in the various Adobe software, like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects and other and more software, training with several languages, cool tutorials, etc. Learn GIS and geography. Want to learn GIS? How about geography? You've come to the right place. GIS mapping. Learn how to make the most out of your maps, by using different map types, cartographic elements, and example maps. GIS software. Learn about all the GIS software available in the industry, with reviews and how-to guides in S3 ArcGIS and KGIS. GIS analysis. See exactly how to use geoprocessing tools, edit data, and transform your tables into geographic information. GIS datasets. Learn how to tap into the different sources of GIS vector, raster, topography, and satellite imagery available. Remote sensing. Learn the concepts of remote sensing analysis and image classification with a focus on satellites, LiDAR, and drones. Do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel, Let's Break, to be the first to receive news.